In this video, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, but first breakfast and of course coffee. Hi everyone, welcome to Karen's Style of Life. I'm going to get started with the kitchen cleaning in just a few moments, but I'm going to eat my breakfast first. I'm having a yogurt parfait with some strawberries and homemade granola, along with a bagel and some cream cheese, and of course my coffee. Once I finish breakfast, I am going to get started with my kitchen cleaning. My oven is self-cleaning, but I'm not using that feature today. I'm going to use an all-natural method to clean my oven, and I'm going to be making a paste out of vinegar, baking soda, and water. So I'm using a cup of water, a cup of baking soda, and about a half a cup of white vinegar. And I'm going to make that into a paste and then spread that on the inside of the oven and on the glass as well. I'm sorry I don't have a close-up picture of what the oven looks like dirty, but trust me, it is extremely dirty. And so what I'm doing right here is I'm just spreading that paste all over the inside of the oven, on the bottom and on the sides, and then I'll be spreading it on the glass as well. And then I'm going to let that sit on the oven pretty much most of the day while I'm doing the rest of my cleaning, so that way it can kind of break down all of the dirt and grime that's on the oven. And it's really dirty, you guys. I have never let my oven get this dirty, but it's been a busy summer and I've been ripping and running and I just hadn't had time to clean it. My husband even ordered me new racks for the inside of the oven because the other racks are just beyond repair. They were just so dirty, so he ordered me some new racks. And so once the oven is finished cleaning, I'm gonna put the new racks in. Right here I'm taking some sea salt, and I'm just spreading that sea salt on the inside of the oven because that's going to kind of act as an agent to kind of help to break down the dirt. So that's what I did there, and now we're going to go ahead with the rest of the cleaning.
I close my eyes and all my troubles fade away. I was once got so deep into me, but tonight I won't let that.
I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to Karen's Style of Life. Thank you so much for joining the family here. And if this is your first time here, I hope that you would consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload a video. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for all of your love and support, and thank you for coming back for another video. To clean the ceiling fan blades, I'm using a pillowcase sprayed with Indust.
Gonna make myself forget about you, baby. Gonna make my head forget about your name, yeah, yeah.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you.
I've got some hot water in the sink, and to that I'm going to add some Mr. Clean, and I'm going to use that to wipe down my cabinets and my countertops.
So clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too
using the Wyman stainless steel cleaners.
Around like nighttime almost. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
I'm adding some white vinegar to a spray bottle. I'm going to spray that vinegar on the inside of the oven, and hopefully that will help to make it easier to wipe out the oven.
Thinking we'll be young forever. 'Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, young, 'cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it.
I'm getting ready to clean the sink. I'm just filling it up with some hot water, adding a cup of bleach to that water, and going to let that sit for about 20 minutes.
You walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 oh. A brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then
so much for stopping by today. Make sure that you leave me a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next video.
Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own